Failing to check HVAC capacitors each season can leave a home without cooling or heating at the worst possible moment. Capacitors store and release electrical energy to start and run the compressor and fan motors, and a weakened or failed capacitor reduces motor torque and increases current draw, which leads to overheating and abrupt shutdowns. Test capacitors with a digital multimeter that has a capacitance setting or use a dedicated capacitance meter. First, turn off power at the service disconnect and lock it out. Discharge the capacitor with an insulated screwdriver held to both terminals. Then remove and measure across the terminals while following meter manufacturer instructions. Look for the measured value within plus or minus 5% of the rated microfarad value stamped on the capacitor, and inspect for bulging, leaking, or rusted terminals which indicate imminent failure. Replace single-run capacitors with the exact microfarad rating and equal or higher voltage rating, and when replacing a dual-run capacitor, transfer and tighten all wire connections to the correct terminals to maintain proper fan and compressor coordination. If you are not comfortable working around live electrical components, schedule a qualified technician to perform seasonal testing and replacement. Ask them to show you test readings so you understand baseline values. Keep a simple maintenance log noting date, measured capacitance, and any parts replaced to track drift over time and justify proactive replacement before peak seasons. Common mistakes include assuming a motor failure is the root cause when a weak capacitor is the likely culprit, which wastes money on motor replacement. Test the capacitor before replacing the motor and only change the motor after confirming capacitor health. Another issue is skipping the power safety steps when working on capacitors, which risks shock or equipment damage. Always shut off and lock out power and fully discharge capacitors before handling. A third concern is using a replacement capacitor with the wrong ratings or loose connections, which can cause immediate failure or poor motor performance. Match microfarad and voltage ratings precisely and torque terminal connections properly. We built BigHomeProjects.com to help homeowners connect with local contractors and to let contractors find work by showcasing projects and availability. We also host a discussion community where homeowners and tradespeople share real-world tips and troubleshooting advice.